In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to join servers in Minecraft on Xbox One. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly join multiplayer servers and play alone or with your friends in Minecraft on your Xbox One. Keep in mind that I am recording this video on my PC, but the process is going to be exactly the same. All that you have to do is choose play and then switch over to the servers tab. In here, you will be able to browse through all of the featured servers. So all that you have to do is find any featured server that you would like to join, and you will be able to choose the option here. Immediately upon choosing join server, you will load into the server and you will be able to play. A lot of these are optimized for consoles, and you will have full access to the mini games. You will be able to party up with your friends or with other random people and play together. So just wait for this to load, and once you are in, you will be able to play Minecraft multiplayer on any of these servers. Like I said, a lot of them have these crazy lobbies, crazy builds, and you will be able to join a variety of mini games. So this one has Parkour, Block Wars, Lucky Blocks, Sky Wars, Egg Wars, and so on. And you can play alone, with random people, or with your friends. You can always switch between the servers, so just go over, save and quit, choose play again, and then browse through the servers tab. They are always going to be available, and whenever you join any of these, you will be guided on how to set up your account and how to browse through the mini games on the server. Each of them has a custom experience, so I highly recommend that you browse through the featured servers every now and then to see their differences and find the server that is best suited for you. But most mini games are going to be the same, and you will be able to play. So this one has prison, for example, and because it's Halloween, it seems like they have an event going on, so I'm going to showcase this one to end the video. So this is all you have to do. I hope I was able to help you on how to join servers in Minecraft on Xbox One. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.